ultimately what I say is that go after some more, there is some more, then yes, your examination bingo, man. Today's video gonna be for SC Science and Tech. Best wishes for SC Science and Tech examination tomorrow. Use your senses, right? You got out of 5 senses. You have to select the best among the best. The Bob. It's GoatX. Welcome to my Twitter account. A very warm regards for my inner spirit and my inner heart. Concave lens and convex lens. Pascal's law, Archimedes principle. The diagrammatic questions is very much important. For diagrammatic questions, you have to go after checking data and condition, right? You have to take that insight from the analytics. You have to go after data analytics. Allergy like cell division, honeybee, drone bee, this kind of thing, right? Bee, honeybee, drone bee, queen bee. Chemistry. From chemistry, what is important? Periodic table, modern periodic table, Mendeleev periodic table, right? And then after we have to learn about metals, non-metals, organic chemistry, homologous series, right? Alcohols, benzenes, physics like force of gravitation, theory of flotation, of thrust, right? This kind of thing important. Pressure, density, anomalous expansion of water, specific heat capacity. Alright, I'm gonna talk about tips, tactics, logics, and basics of science for cracking and tackling an obstacle tomorrow. SC Science and Tech examination. Keep breathing, man. Om Namo Shivaya, right? Om Namo Shivaya. I'll tell like that. Om Sri Krishna Namo, Om Brahmadeva Namo, right? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudeva Namo, Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Krishna Namo, Om Sri Ganesha Namo, Om Devi Saraswati, Om Brahmadeva Namo, Om Devi Lakshmi, Om Devi Parvati, Om Namo Shivaya. I'll tell like that, right? If you follow Sambo, then yes, bingo, man. Science and technology, right? It's related to about MCQ, how to tackle. The first question is MCQ, right? MCQ, then after very short answer questions and long answer questions. MCQ, right? It's like 10 into 1, 10 marks, right? We have to select the best among the best. The Bob, best of best, right? Among the best alternatives, we have to select the best one. MCQ, 10 marks, yes. If you follow Sambo, then yes, bingo, man. Yes, just head for Sambo. There is Sambo, then yes, your examination bingo, man. That's the thing, man. Yes, that's a stop, right? Realistic stop, man. You have to be in your own authority zone, right? How to tackle MCQ. We have to go after logic, right? We have to go after our knowledge, understanding, right? We have to go after our ability, not agility. Agility means speed. Don't go after agility. You have to use our right logic and accuracy at the right time. Wisdom, right? That's the thing. Next thing, well, similarly, next thing is about very short answer questions. Very short answer questions is 9 mark and pretty much simple, and it's based on knowledge, understanding kind of questions. It's pretty much like about definitions, formulae, this kind of things, and simple like logical reasoning kind of questions. Then after 14 to the 28, right? 14 marks short answer questions, just contents, right? 2 marks, right? 2 marks question. 14 to the 28. Then after that is like falling under the category short answer questions, and this kind of questions also very much like simple, like basic, like making ray diagram, right? Diagram of lens, optical lens. You have learned of optical lens, eye lens, like long sightedness. Then after what? Short sightedness. This kind of things, and I'll talk about that also furthermore. And yes, moreover, next thing is long answer questions. It's like 7 for the 28, right? 7 for the 28. 7 questions, 4 marks. So yes, I'm gonna talk about like topics, right? Subject matter. I'm gonna talk about like logics, tactics, how to clear examination tomorrow. There is an hurdle, there's obstacle, so we have to tackle that things in pretty much simple way, right? Pretty much simple, easier, clean, pretty much basics, right? So yes, how to do that? This is last hour, right? Tomorrow examination. So yes, for that kind of things, yes, I'll talk about tactics. Tips number 1. What tips number 1? We have to go after our logical reasoning, smart use of senses. We have to first tip number 1, right? I'm talking about tip number 1. Smart use of logic and wisdom. Smart use of intelligence, right? MCQ questions. For MCQ questions, yes, go after like Shivam, man. Yes, right? Go after Shim, right? Sheep, right? Go after like some more than yes, bingo, man. MCQ. Select best of best alternatives. Talking about some other topics, right? From physics, what is important? From physics, like force of gravitation, theory of flotation, of thrust, right? This kind of thing important. Pressure, density, anomalous expansion of water, specific heat capacity, right? Then what is important? All things, optical lens, eye lens, right? Long sightedness, right? Then after short sightedness, then after making lens diagram as well. Concave lens and convex lens. This kind of things important. Then after critical angle, total internal reflection. Then what is important? That's only next stop, right? From physics, what is important? The pressure, Pascal's law, Archimedes principle. This kind of things very much important, and too much action pass SC as well. Then all thing, right? From biology. Biology, what is important from biology, like cell division, honeybee, drone bee, this kind of thing, right? Bee, honeybee, drone bee, queen bee. So I think this is very much important, right? DNA, right? Heart, making picture diagram of heart. This kind of thing is important from biology. Cell very important. Meiosis, cell division. Mitosis, cell division. This very much important and very much like asked lot of times, SC examination, past years. Check out data before. And next thing is like for 4 marks, diagrammatic questions, right? The diagrammatic questions is very much important. For diagrammatic questions, you have to go after checking data and condition, right? You have to take that insight from the analytics. You have to go after data analytics. If you know how to analyze the data properly, then yes, obviously, like diagrammatic kind of questions, logical questions, dang, killing out, man, right? So that's why you have to follow on diagrammatic, tabular, and logical kind of questions. From chemistry, what is important? Periodic table, modern periodic table, Mendeleev periodic table, right? And then after we have to learn about metals, non-metals, organic chemistry, homologous series, right? Alcohols, benzenes. This is important, right? And homologous series pretty much asked a lot of times, right? And this is another thing about like from chemistry. What is all thing important? Have you ever like, analyzed before? Have you wondered before? What is important like from chemistry? You can go and check after like different kinds of elements, right? You have to go after 20 elements. You should know all 20 elements. The atomic masses. You will be given how to balance chemical equations also. That is also very important, right? You have to go after basics of chemistry, basics of physics, right? Basics of biology, and from astronomy, Big Bang theory, right? This arcs. Then after, what is black hole, right? Black hole is important, right? It's arcs, right? Like different kinds of like hypotheses asked from astronomy. From astronomy topic, you can relate to different kinds of things like history of Earth, how like different periods, right? Era, right? So different like Archaic period, Hologenic period, different kinds of period, right? And from biology, I still remember theory of Lamarckism and theory of Darwinism. That is like asked in class 9, but yes, that can be like asked, right? This time also, I feel like that. And yes, you have to go after preparing this kind of things very smartly, right? Use your senses, right? You go over 5 senses. Use your senses, use your intelligence, use your wisdom. Yes, and after use your motivation, deep breathing, man. Om Namo Shivaya, right? Om Namo Shivaya. I feel like that. Om Sri Krishna Namo, Om Brahmadeva Namo, right? Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Namo, Om Namo Bhagavate Sri Krishna Namo, Om Sri Ganesha Namo, Om Devi Saraswati, Om Brahmadeva Namo, Om Devi Lakshmi, Om Devi Parvati, Om Namo Shivaya. I feel like that, right? Go after Lord Shiva, then yes. The last, ultimately, what I'll say is that go after some more than yes. Your lab, your examination tomorrow for science and tech. Bingo, man. Some more than bingo, man, right? Go after some more. Your lab, right? Examination tomorrow. Best wishes. Bingo, man, right? Best wishes for tomorrow's SC Science and Tech examination. So that's all for the hip hop artist GoatX signing out. Peace, love, and harmony.